Today I'm going to show you how to automatically repeat YouTube videos, whether you want to listen to your favorite song on loop or rewatch a tutorial. I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, let's open the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into your account if you want to save playlist. For this, we'll be using a web browser. Simply go to youtube.com. Once you're in, search for the video you want to repeat. You can do this by typing the title in the search bar or simply selecting the video. Select the video. Now, if you're using a desktop browser, it's super easy. Right click on the video player and you'll see an option that says loop. Now, if you're on mobile, the process is a bit different since there's no built-in loop option. Instead, you can create a playlist. Tap on the Save button and then select Create a Playlist. Name your playlist and make sure it's set to public or private. Once your playlist is created, go back to your library. Now here you can find the playlist. Tap on View All. Here you can find Loop and find the playlist you just created and start playing the video. And that's all there is to it. Now the video will be played on loop, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to automatically repeat YouTube videos.